Today I just received a call about the customer complaint that the AC unit is making a loud noise on the outdoor unit. So I'm gonna head there and see can I get some footage. All right, see y'all once I get there. All right. All right, she said making a loud noise, but I don't think she hearing the defrost when they go in defrost cycle. I'm just gonna check it out anyway, see what I find it. Check the capacitor, make sure the capacitor is within specs. So do that right quick. Definitely needs service. I think been serviced in a minute. You can see all the dust way up on it. So it's a Lennox. Yeah, got the frost board. Let me see. I don't think this is the original capacitor on here. Just go check it anyway. Key of the charge on there. Let's see. Common. I leave the comment on us, so I'm just gonna check the fan and the compressor. .08. Just did some good. It's going good on the 3677. That's still some good. But at 40, 45, 40 plus 5, so that's 37, so that's still within range. Kind of low, but contactor need to be replaced. I'm recommending a contactor. Alright. Alright folks, just go change the contactor out. And I'm gonna recommend the contactor and the capacitor get changed. Alrighty. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.